Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about pre-installed software through our grade 9 ICT textbook explanation video series. Actually, we are through this video series. Recently, we discussed about the specification of the computer. Let's see about pre-installed software. We know that we cannot work with the computer without the software because to connect with the hardware, we should we have to install a software. First of all, on the hardware we will have to install operating system. Then after on operating system we can install application software as well. Through user can connect with the hardware through application software. Then after through the operating system, or else directly user can connect with the connect with the hardware through operating system. As an example, think that if a user want to print a document, user can use application software such as MS Word and use the print option. Then through the operating system, user will connect with the printer. It means according to the user's command, printer will give the printout. As well, if a user want to play a music audio track, user can use direct MP3 player or Windows Media Player, which is coming with the operating system. Then without an application software directly, in sometimes user can also connect with the hardware through operating system. But before connect with the hardware directly, we have to install a software. It can be operating system or operating system plus application software. Actually, this operating system or software which is in the computer, operating system or the software in the computer which is using for main functions, for main functions. As well, application software, the software which is used for various type of tasks, such as an example, we can consider if we want to create a document, we can use MS Word. To create a spreadsheet, we can use MS Excel. It means MS Office package. As well, if we want to create if we want to graphic designing based task, we can use Adobe Photoshop softwares like Adobe Photoshop. But before install them, we will have to install operating system in the computer. As an example, we can install Windows 10 or else Windows 8. Otherwise, we can install also Linux, Mac OS in Apple computers. As well, if we consider also mobile phones, we can consider Android operating system as well, iOS operating system. On that operating system, in the mobile devices also, we can use any other applications. In the Android, we know that through the Google Play Store, we can install any app on the Android operating system. As well, in iOS, we can use, in the iPhones, we can use Apple App Store to install application software. So I think now you have a good idea about softwares. Therefore, if we consider a computer through the pre-installed software, also we can consider about the specific. It is also a fact which we should consider regarding specification, because according to the softwares installed in the computer, we can get a decision with our requirement. If we are familiar with Windows-based operating system, we can direct to buy a Windows-based computer. If you are familiar with Linux-based operating system, we can direct to buy a Linux-based software installed computer. Therefore, we can consider it installed software also as a specification related to the computer. But it is not like hardware. We can all in time change the operating system and other softwares, but For the non-technical persons, they can consider also about installed software. So I think now you have a good idea about pre-installed software regarding this specification section. If you have any doubt, always you can use our WhatsApp support service. It is a premium service as well. Ninaro students can totally free use that service if you join with Ninaro. In next video, I hope to discuss with you about non-technical features to be considered in purchasing a computer. So till we meet again with the next video, have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.